Welcome to Brain Vision.
So now we're going to work on problem 77 from chapter 5. In this problem, we're asked about carbon ring structures, which are common in organic chemistry. And we need to draw some Lewis structures for some carbon rings and include resonance structures if they are appropriate. So the first molecule which we're given is C4H8. So in this molecule here, we're going to have 24 electrons. We're told that it's a ring, so we can go ahead and draw our carbon skeleton with the 4 carbons. Now there's 8 hydrogens, so that means that each carbon should have 2 hydrogens. And so here we see that we've drawn 12 bonds, and so we've used up our 24 electrons. So this is the completed Lewis structure. There's no double bonds, so there's no need for any resonance structures. So here we can put part B, which is now C4H4. So we have 4 fewer electrons because of 4 fewer hydrogen atoms. So again, we can draw our carbon skeleton with the 4 carbons. Now we have 1 hydrogen for each carbon, so that has changed. So now we've used up 16 electrons, so we have 4 left to assign. And every carbon here is deficient of 2 electrons, so they need to be shared. So here we draw 2 double bonds to use up the 4 remaining electrons, and now each carbon has an octet. So this is the correct structure. However, because of the presence of double bonds, they don't have to be between the double bonds don't have to be on the top and the bottom. They could also be on the right and the left. So we can draw a second structure here where we have the double bonds on the right and the left like this, and then we can draw the hydrogens in. So that's the resonance structures for C4H4. In part C, we're given C6H12. This molecule has 36 electrons. So again, we have, we're told it's a ring structure, so we can draw our carbon skeleton. With the 6 carbon atoms, like so. Now we have 12 electrons, 12 hydrogens, so each carbon will get 2 hydrogen atoms. So that uses up, that's 18 bonds if we count them all. And so that uses up all our electrons, no single bonds. So no double bonds, so we need to, don't need to draw any resonance structures. So in part D, we're given C6H6. Again, we're going to have 6 fewer electrons, so we have 30 electrons total. So we can again draw our carbon skeleton with the 6 Now we only have one hydrogen for every carbon. So now we've used up 24 electrons. So we have 6 electrons remaining, and every carbon atom is deficient of 2 electrons. So that means we're going to need to share. So we could draw a double bond every other bond like this. So because of the presence of double bonds, we can also draw the double bonds in the opposite position. So we have our hydrogens, which we can draw in. And then we can put our double bonds in the positions where they are not on the left. And so this is the resonance structure for C6H6.